How to turn off Instagram story comments. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To simply turn off Instagram story comments, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Now tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this section, choose the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate the option for comments, which is under how other can interact with you. Open it, and under who can comment, you will see two options, that is post and reels and stories. So to turn off story comments, tap stories option, and after a while, currently it has been said to people you follow, but to turn off completely, tap off button. And this will help us to turn off Instagram story comments permanently. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.